Customer 1 added grapes and peaches to the cart. Customer 2 added apples to the cart. When we run this code, here customer 1 cart shows grapes and peaches, but customer 2 cart shows grapes, peaches and apples. So why customer 2 cart shows items from customer 1's cart? The reason is same list is being used. Use none as the default value and create a new list. So let us clear all. Here we have used items is equal to none, and if items is none, then items, we are creating a new list. Now we can run this code. Now customer 2 cart has got apples. We got number list of 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, and if that number mod 2 is 0, we are removing that number and printing the numbers. 4 mod 2 is 0, but 4 is not removed from this list. So find the bug. Why 4 is not removed from this list? For loop changes indexes and causes elements to be skipped. Use list comprehension. So numbers is equal to 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. We are printing the numbers. Numbers is equal to n for n in numbers if n mod 2 not equal to 0. So we are using list comprehension here. And let us clear this and run this code. So 4 has been removed now from the list. So we have to use list comprehension. For I in range of f, we are storing 5 numbers in the list. Why this does not print 0, 1, 2, 3, 4? Instead it is printing 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3 in this manner. Why is it not printing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4? Lambda function captures the variable I by reference, not by value. So alter the code. Here lambda I is equal to I colon I. Now let us clear this and let us run this code. So now it is printing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. What is wrong with this code? Result is equal to 10 by 0 and 0 division is not possible. So exception occurred and it printed something went wrong. Avoid using a bare except to avoid catching unexpected exceptions. Try result is equal to 10 by 0 except 0 division error, print cannot divide by 0, or you can say except exception as E and print that exception. Let us run this. Cannot divide by 0, and let us run this code. 0 division error, division by 0. Code we have A is equal to 1000, B is equal to 1000. If A is B, print equal. Why is this comparison unreliable? Let us run this code and it is not printing equal. So why is this comparison unreliable? The is operator checks object identity. Use double equal to when comparing values. So if A double equal to B, print equal. Let us clear this. Now run this code. So now it is printing equal. X is equal to 0.1 plus 0.2. If X double equal to 0.3, print match. Find the bug in this code. Why might this condition fail? Let us run this. So it didn't print match. So why this failed? Floating point arithmetic has precision errors. Use is close. Import math as mem. And then if m dot is close, then x 0.3, print match. So let us clear this and run this code. Now it is printing match. A file is open in read mode. Content is file.read and printing content. It printed my test is the content and print file.closed. File.closed is false. That is, file has not been closed. So we have explicitly closed the file.close, and then printed file.closed. Now it is showing true. That is, file is closed after explicitly closing the file. So find the bug related to this resource management. File is not automatically closed. Use with statement to automatically close file. With open the file in read mode, content file.read, print content, and print file.closed. Let us execute this. Let us clear this. Now let us execute this part. So my test is the content and file is automatically closed. We didn't explicitly close the file. Matrix 0 star 3 star 3. We have created 3 sets of 0 matrices here. So we have printed that matrix. Now matrix 0 0 is equal to 1. So when we print the matrix again, so in this position we got 1 here, we got 1 here, we got 1 here. So it changed in all the 3 sets. How to get the following output? It should change it only in the first set, and the second and third set shouldn't be disturbed. Use a list comprehension to create independent rows. Matrix is equal to 0 star 3 for underscore in range of 3. Instead of a looping index, we used underscore, print matrix, and matrix 0 0 is equal to 1, and then print matrix again. Let us run this code. Let us clear this. Now run this code. So here we got the matrix 0 0 0 0, and then only in the first set it has changed to 1. So we have to use list comprehension to get this output. This code creates many temporary objects. How to improve performance? Result for I in range 100,000. Result is equal to result plus str of I, print result. So it is printing this. How to improve the performance? Use list comprehension. Str of I for I in range 100,000, and then join that, and result is equal to space dot join, and then print result. So let us clear this and execute this. This is how we can improve the performance. We have this code list is equal to 1 2 3, print list of ABC. When we executed this, we get this error, type error, list object is not callable. So how to get output like this, ABC. Do not use built-in function as variable. List is a built-in function, list. So let us delete that list, and x is equal to 1 2 3, print list of ABC. Now we have taken variable x instead of list as the variable. So now let us run this. Let us clear this first and run this code. So now it printed ABC. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, hype, and click on bell icon.